Did you know a man once rebuilt an entire city wall while his workers held swords in one hand and hammers in the other? Nehemiah had the best job in Persia. He was the king's personal cupbearer. But when he heard Jerusalem's walls were destroyed, he left everything behind to rebuild them. Local enemies Sanballat, Tobiah, and Geshem laughed at him. "You think you can rebuild these broken stones?" they mocked. But as the walls grew higher, their laughter turned to anger. They sent armies to attack. They made death threats. They plotted to kill Nehemiah. So Nehemiah did something incredible. He armed every single worker. Picture this: construction crews building with tools in one hand and swords in the other. Guards stood at every weak spot. Families worked in shifts, half building, half fighting with spears and bows. The enemies sent fake prophets and assassins, but nothing worked. In just 52 days, the impossible happened. The wall was finished. The enemies were terrified because they knew only God could make this happen so fast.